Nivas and I'm finally a student at IcfaiTech. The best thing about IcfaiTech is its faculty and their enthusiasm for teaching. Although most of my program had been held online, there is no questioning the quality of education that we get. They had helped us by emphasizing on the core subjects that are required by the industry. By the end of year 3, we were already equipped with the knowledge that laid the foundation of our career. Best thing is that we are yet to go through the internship program where we can get first-hand knowledge and experience. Coming back to myself, as a final year student, I'm pursuing to get placed in a company that would be a boon to my career. Thanks to the placement team with their wide reach and reputation, they have provided us with ample enough opportunities to get placed in any company. As of me, I got placed in a company during one of the placement drives, but the best part is that I can still try for any other company given that there are more than 100 companies approached to hire us. There is still a whole semester left for me, which is solely for internship and placements. So if my focus is on the right place, I think a bright future is awaiting for me. Thank you.